Hello, this is Donna from Mystique Cat Easy Crafts, and today we're going to do a really easy macrame project. Probably would be a good first macrame project because it is that simple. We're going to make some Christmas ornaments like this, and the supplies are going to be a ring with 2 beads. One is slightly bigger than the other one, as you see here. You're going to use some 2mm cord. It's going to be 78.75 inches. If you want to round it up a little bit, that's not going to hurt anything, just to make it easier on you, but it's 78.75. And this cord here, which is what we use to hang it with, the top, is 13.75 inches. If you don't have this cord, don't sweat it. You could even use some more macrame cord or just anything, you know, twine, anything that'll go through the loop so you can pull it through and tie it in a knot. Then I have this little tool here that I use to push it under one of these loops here so that I can grab the cord and pull it through. If you don't have one of these, you just need to find something that you can lift one of these loops up to get a cord underneath it. So let's get started. We have our ring. And see, right now everything, the loop is on, or the ring is on top. And I don't need anywhere near. I need just enough of this side to put the 2 beads on and tie a knot. 5 or 6 inches, something like that. Okay, so now it looks like this, the cord on top. Now we're going to take this and pull it through here. So it looks like this. This is underneath, this is on top. Now I'm going to take both of these cords here and I'm going to put them through this loop, which is ends up being a lark's head. You may have seen the lark's head used when people make necklaces or pendants or something and they tie it to this with a cord. That's one use of the lark's head. But here we go, ready. We've got this all in position. We're going to take this long side here, and we're always working with the long side. We're not going to be working with this until the very end. But we're going to put this, make a little loop, doesn't matter how big it is. You're going to put this longer cord over the circle and through this loop here. Okay, I would consider this really to be step 1 after we do the lark's head. There's only 2 steps, so I said it's pretty easy. Next, instead of putting it over, we're going to put it under like this. So now we have the loop that's underneath the ring. And pull the cord through. And always tie it or pull it and get it nice and firm and tight. Next, we've already done it. We just did it under. We're going to do an over. So we put it over. And then we're going to pull the cord through this loop. Like this. Next, we're going to do it under. We're going to put it through this loop. This is again, under the ring. Put it through the loop. Now all we're going to do is these 2 steps over and over again, the over and the under. Over, through the loop, and under, through the loop. I'm going to do 2 more repetitions, or 1 more repetition. We're going to do the over and the under through the loop. Okay. Now we've come together and we've got these 2 that are side by side. I'm going to cut these to make them the same length. Next, we're going to put them through these holes. So I stuff it through there the best I can, and then try to push them. I'm trying to stuff them is basically what I'm trying to do. Okay, that worked better, just to twist it. This one's going to be harder, even harder, because it's a smaller bead. I'm going to cut that little frizzy part off. Twist them. I'm going to get my needle here and push these ends in. The best that I can, and then I'm going to twist. I see it coming almost through, so now I'm going to get my needle and try to pull it up. Okay. I usually don't shred them quite as much as that, but it's not going to hurt anything. All I'm going to do is tie a knot. I'm going to do right over left, make a square knot. And left over right. if you don't feel good about your knot, you can always put a little glue there, let it make sure that it stays together. Okay, so we've got the 2 beads on here, we've got the knot. Now I'm going to get the string and pull it through. So I'll go approximately up to halfway mark, or right above that. And actually pinch them together if it makes it easier. And then you can pull it back apart to put the cord through. Yeah, it's wanting to, I think it broke on me. Oh, great. I have another one of these, so I'm going to get that. Okay, so I got another one of these. And I pushed it under. So you see this, oh, let's see if you can see that. See, it's come through here, and there's this part right here. And that's where I'm going to put the string. Sometimes you have to open them back up after you push them through, because when you push them through, this little metal piece goes together. So now I got a needle here. I want to get this far enough so that it doesn't try to slip back out. There we go. Now when I pull this, it pulls it right through. So I just get one side of this little cord here, pull it through like that, take this off. Now I can either tie it in a square knot like I did before, or I can just wrap it around like this. Now that's all there is to it. You can see that the worst part is just trying to get these beads through here. Maybe I should have used some tape and then twisted it, but I think the key is to twist this when you're pushing it through, and that way it makes it push through the bead there. But these lovely ornaments. And I am just getting started in my YouTube venture, so I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe. It would really help me out a lot. And I've got other videos of different types of crafts out there, and I'll continue to be adding different stuff, some of the same, some jewelry making. I've already got some resin. I'm going to do some more resin projects. And I did an Easter craft for kids, but I'll keep adding, and I hope you come back and watch me again. And I really thank you very much for watching me. Bye-bye. See you next time.